Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Subway Surfers and letting the main menu finish loading so the ad triggers appear. Tap the store, daily rewards, or booster panels where watch buttons are visible. This is the entry point. Make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection because ads buffer and time out otherwise. Once the button is visible, tap it and prepare to watch. This ensures the game registers your view and credits the reward without interruption. After tapping the Watch Ad button, stay inside the app and let the video play full length. Interrupting playback often prevents reward crediting. Do not switch apps, press home, or lock your phone. Those actions commonly abort the ad. If an in-app permission or pop-up appears, allow it so the video can stream. This is why many failed views happen. Once the ad completes, you usually see a confirmation or reward animation. Wait for it before closing the screen. When the ad finishes, tap Collect or OK to claim the reward. This final tap tells the game to add the item. If the reward doesn't appear, first make sure your connection remains stable, then close and reopen the app and try the watch flow again. If repeated attempts fail, take a screenshot of the completed ad screen and contact support through the game. This helps them verify the view and restore missing rewards. That single screenshot is often the fastest fix.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.